Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will start R programming, which is the basic syllabus we are going to cover in this session over here. And some of the topics are not present in the BSc system, which is NEP, final year students. Some of the basic topics are going to cover in this video. To understanding the basic, after understanding the basic, generally we can able to understand what is the vector, statistics, whatever the charts and how to create everything will be learned in a statistical R programming we need to say here. Let us begin. What is exactly the R programming languages? Before starting the R programming languages, you heard about a programming. A programming is a set of instructions you are going to provide over here, and also you learn about a C programming languages. Today, we are starting R programming language. Let us see what exactly it is, R programming language. Here, R programming language, it is basically a open source programming language that is widely used as a statistical software and a data analysis tool. R generally comes with the command line interface. R is available across widely used platforms like Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. And also the R programming language is the latest cutting edge tool nowadays we are using here. And here it was designed by Roos Ika and Robert Gentleman at the University of Auckland, New Zealand, and it is currently developed by the R development core team. So it's basically designed by the Rusa Ika and Robert Gentleman. But it was developed by R development core team. R programming language is an implementation of the S programming languages. As we learned in a C programming languages, it is came from a B programming language over here. That is BCPL, basic command programming language. Then we say it is B, and then we say it is a C program. Here, R programming language is the implementation of which language? It is S programming language. It is also combined with a lexical scoping, a semantic inspired by a schema. Lexical analysis you might have seen in a grammar, that is finite automation. You might have heard in the finite automation topics over here. That is grammar thing. Everything will be done in a finite automation. Here, why it is R? That is why R. Why should we select R? Generally, it is a free of cost available. You no need to pay for this. It is a free of installation. Hottest trending language nowadays, integrated with other languages, latest cutting edge technologies. It is there, platform independent and vast community. These are the some of the features where we can see in the R. So why we have to select R programming language? Here, what is R programming language? R programming language is used as a leading tool for a machine learning. What is R programming? It is a leading tool for learning purpose for machine learning, statistics, and data analysis. To do these things, we are using R programming a tool, which is having a objects, a functions, and a packages can also be easily created by R program. You know that objects and the functions and the packages are done in a Java programming languages. That is called OOPS. Same thing. It is also a platform independent language. This means it can be applied to all kind of platforms. That is operating systems we need to say. It is an open source free language, as we say, as I said you. That is no need to pay for this software here. That is we have, you know that we have paid software, unpaid software. That is free of language. That is a kind of a free language, so we can easily download without having any payment. So you need no need to purchase of license for this language over here. R programming language is not only a static package, but also allow us to integrate with other language. That is, integrate in the sense we are going to connect with C, C++. C, we have basic objects we are basic program we are learned, and then we come across a C, C++, which is having OOPS concept, and we come across a Java program where we can able to learn about the packages. So thus you can easily interact with the many data source and statistical packages. The R programming languages has a vast community of users and it's growing day by day. Nowadays, you know that data science is a vast things are going to spread all over the world over here. For that sake, R is currently one of the most requested programming languages in the data science job marketing, which makes it as a hottest trending nowadays. It was designed by, as I told you, that is Rusa, Ika, and Robert Gentleman at the University of Auckland and New Zealand, and it was developed by R development core team. And it is also implementation of S programming languages has been discussed over here. Here, what kind of features are there in in R programming languages in a sense? Generally, as I said that it is a feature of, that is first one, R packages. What exactly R package we have? It is one of the major feature of R is it has a wide availability of libraries. R has CRAN, comprehensive R archive network, we need to say. This is the software we need to develop from the, where we need to download this software from the website, which is a repository holding more than 10 lakh of packages over here. Packages are available. Second one, distributed computing we have here, which is are shared among the multiple computers to improve the efficiency and performance of the system. And two new packages we are using in this R programming, that is DDR and the multi-D play R, used for distributed programming in R, which is released in November 2015. Statistical features of R, that is basic statistics, statistical graph we need to draw here. That is, in statistics, what we have to do? We need to do mean, mode, median are being calculated in R statistical features. And also we can draw we can also draw a plot, that is graph can also be implemented in the R programming languages, that is called statistic graph. As you know that a graphic map must plot, biplot, and list of goes on, that is statistic graphs can be done in the R programming languages. You can visualize your data in terms of graphical format. Next, probability of distribution. Probability of distribution plays a vital role in statistics, and by using R, we can easily handle various types of probability distribution, such as binomial distribution, normal distribution, chi-square distribution, and many more we can able to see in probability distribution. You know the probability, in the sense head or tail concept has been implemented in the statistical. The same thing here also. We have binomial distribution, normal distribution, chi-square distribution, and many more we have here. Those entire things should be done in a R programming language. Last one, that is data analysis. It provides a large, coherent, integrated collections of tools for data. For analyzing the data, we have a large number of collections of tools, so we can analyze the data here. Next, how can we see a basic C program? As we know that a C program, we have preprocessor directory statement, main program, and again we are going to into the program and declarations of variables and so many more we have in a basic C program. But here also same thing, structure of R programming we have here. Since R is a much similar to other widely used languages synthetically, it is easier to code and learn in R. Programs can be written in R in many of the widely used IDE like R Studio you need to download. Apart from, if you don't know the R Studio, you can go for Atli, TR, and we have many more IDE, so we can able to run the R programs. But basically, I'm using R Studio. Okay. After writing the program, save the file with the extension of .r, that is file name .r. R file name .r you can see in the screen. And here is the program called R programming to print welcome to the GFG. So here I am using as a source code called as a cat, cat, welcome to GFG. The message should be displayed onto the screen. Let us run this a small program in a R Studio program. Okay, let us see. Here is a R Studio. Click on this. Here is opened over here console. So write down cat. What is the message? Welcome to. It should be in a double quotation. Welcome to GFG SKNG GFG College Gangavati. Press the enter button. That's it. Yes, it will display message called as welcome to SKNG GFG College Gangavati. Okay. Again, if you want to display another messages, write on the cat, that is hi. Hi. How are you? So here is a message. This is the way of writing a program in a console application. So you can easily able to run in here. Okay, I hope you understand this. A small message which is able to display a message whatever written in it's in a double quotation. Let us go to the slide now. Advantages of R programming. R is a most comprehensive statistical analysis package, and as a new technology and concepts often appear first in R. Language is that is open source. R anywhere you can run and at any time you can able to run this program. R programming is suitable for GNU, Linux, and Windows operating system. As we know, it is a cross-platform and run any kind of OS. And everyone is welcome to provide a new packages, bug fix, and code enhancements are the big advantages of R programming. Next, what are the disadvantages we can able to see? In R programming language, the standard of some of the packages less than perfect. First drawback, R command gives little pressure on memory management. So R programming language may consume all available memory. So this is one second drawback. R basically nobody to complain if something does not work. So this is another drawback. So we can't able to complain to any kinds of problem when we are facing with the R language or software. R programming language is much slower than other programming languages such as Python and MATLAB. So when you compare with R program is a slower. We can able to run slower when you compare with the Python and as well as MATLAB. These are the drawbacks of your advantages. And let us see the applications of program. What are the applications we have programmed? We use R for data science. It gives us a broad variety of library related to the statistics. It also provides the environment for statistical computing and design. R is used by many quantitative analysts as its programming tool. Thus, it helps in data importing and cleaning. R is the most prevalent language. So many data analysis and research programs use it. Hence, it is used as a fundamental tool for finance. Tech grants like Google, Facebook, Bing, Twitter, Accenture, Wipro, and many more using R nowadays. Since these are the tech grants which is able to are using R programming. Okay, so this is all about what we learn a basic R. How exactly R programming, who invented it, and what is the basic structure of R programming, and how to implement this one, and what we have seen advantages and disadvantages in applications. So we have discussed in this session. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, subscribe to my channel. Until unless share to your friends. If you like this video, watch for next video. Thank you.